Hello, this is my assignment for week 2 for CSE 341, and we will begin by doing starting our server where we contact all of where we get all of our contacts, and we've created the MongoDB collection over here. So we've created the MongoDB collection called contacts, and I'll show you real quick where it is. So it's over here. It contains three documents, and then we have our env file with our with our MongoDB URI, and we are able to connect to our database using the MongoDB Connect controller, which is over here. And let's test some routes that I've created. Some of the routes are here. This is the default route, just to add an instruction to the default route, and the contacts route gets it from here, and the controllers are over here. So when we go to the default contact route, it should bring up everything. So we can test. So this is my REST file, but for this video I'll use Postman. Okay, this is the local host to get all. So when we send it, it gets all of the documents from the database, and then when we use the ID, which is this part over here, when we want to get the single one, it's this one. This is using the routes parameter, and if we want to search a person in the future using the query parameter, we can use this one, this controllers, and this controller search contact over here. It gets it from the query. That's the only difference between these two. This is using the routes parameter, and this is using the query parameter, and both of them basically have the same code. So that's testing the local host. So when we test the production, which is over here, we can use it with the browser, but we'll stick with Postman again. So on production, we get the same thing, and production using route parameters, we also get the same thing. And this is using the search query parameter. But if we do ID equals 123, it wouldn't have anything, since there's no people on that. There's no document with that ID. And what else do I have to do? So for some reason, my VS Code configuration or debugger is not working. So this is the error that I'm running into, but everything else works. And that's everything for my week 2 assignment in backend development 2, where we create a node architecture.